Welcome to the Boat Show. I'm Bill Hackett and we're in beautiful downtown Palm Beach today. Today we're at Southport and we're checking out the latest. It's the 33 FE. This is the Gentleman Center console. We need to step aboard and see what this beautiful boat is all about. So starting at the business end of this 33 FE, we got twin Mercury 400 Verados. It's going to push this boat in the mid-50s. It's going to cruise right around the mid-40s, and it's got about a 350 to 400 mile range. Beautiful for a day on the water. So Southport is a privately owned company out of Maine, and they focus on building a quality boat over quantity. As we start in the back end, we have a step-through transom door. Then back here we have a live well, and we also have cooler storage, so if you need a drink, keep your baits, you can keep them iced down right here, insulated storage. We have a flip-up, flip-down seat, so you're ready to fish it, or if you're ready to relax, you can do it either way. Then we have quad fish boxes on this thing, so you can put all that fresh catch away for the day. So this beautiful boat has a length overall of 32 feet, 6 inches, and she's got a beam of 10 feet, 8 inches. Very spacious back here. We have a dive door or a tuna door so you can get that fresh catch in here, maybe ease the grandkids in and on off the boat. We did say that this is a Gentleman Center console. You can see the teak accents, the upholstery, all done up in Maine. Very comfortable, very luxurious, and very well thought out. So we have an oversized hardtop here with grab rails for safety. We have great visibility up front, but as we pay attention to the helm chairs right here, beautifully stitched, the logo is on point. Then we have a twin Garmin array. You have your Mercury controls with that Mercury skyhook to give you the ultimate protection, easing in and out of dock. I'm 6'1", I weigh a few pounds. I'm a pretty big guy, but guess what? Access to down below, it doesn't get any easier than this for a big guy like me. When you step down below, you get out of the elements. You have a berth down here, you can put your rod storage. We have a head and a sink. You just need to cool off, just come down below, throw the kids down here with the iPod or the iPad, and have a great time. You know, as we step up here to the bow, we got great shade here. We can relax on this very comfortable and very well appointed boat. So you know it's well made. But what you can't see is the infusion process. So they use vinyl luster, which really creates a high performance, lightweight boat, which is very strong and works great in rough conditions. This is a very transformative area as well up here in the bow. We have seating for at least 4 forward-facing seats, a lounger. Hey, you can pull the cushions off, you can fish this hard, but really this is a fantastic boat. High quality build, very comfortable, a lot of luxury, but really what you need to do is you need to see it for yourself, you need to take it for a sea trial. When you see one of these Southports in the water, you can spot it a mile away because it has iconic lines. Now you need to see it for yourself.